as we talk about the narrative of the Pakistan. As we all know that the Pakistan and India both got independence in 1947. But there is a major difference between India and Pakistan. Why? We have to recognize the causes behind this. The first cause behind it that the theory of Pakistan was wrong. When in 1947 India and Pakistan both got independence, then India's policy was to develop and to make country as a secular country. But in other hand, the agenda of Pakistan was to make a country Islamist. They were making a hope that they will make a Islam country and they will flourish. But this agenda entirely failed. So their theory, or we can say their theory of establishment of Pakistan was baseless. Now, coming to the coming scenarios in between Pakistan and India. So, when we observe the scenarios in between India and Pakistan, then there is a vast difference between diplomacy of India and Pakistan. So, as the Pahalgam incident occurred in Jammu and Kashmir, it that is Indian administered Kashmir. For response of that, India launched Operation Sindoor for retaliation of Pahalgam attack, in which 26 civilians have been martyred, in which 25 were Indian and one was from Nepal. Although India was hoping that the Pakistan will retaliate against the terrorist groups, but after a huge wait, when India did not get any response from the Pakistan that it could hit their terrorist attack, their terrorist camps, then India opened Operation Sindoor, and in the retaliation of the Operation Sindoor, India attacked 9 terrorist camps. Instead of helping and supporting India's policy, Pakistan retaliated against India. While India has de escalated the situation, India unequivocally told that this attack was on Pakistani terrorist groups, not on Pakistani army or civilians. But they did not realize it because they have the internal conflict. They have so many conflicts. For concealing those conflicts, they try to make some of the problems on the border in in the with the help of border dispute. They try to solve the problems, or we can say try to recollect the people of their country in a one roof. So they make such kind of border disputes so that their internal conflicts could be concealed. So this is the propaganda which flourished in the eyes of foreign media. So this is first concern. Now the second concern is when India attacked 9 terrorist camps including Lashkar-e-Toiba, Jasim Mohammed, Hizbul Mujahideen. When India reports 100 terrorists have been killed in its press conference, but Pakistani retaliated against India instead of helping. It targeted 15 cities of India, including Ludhiana, Bhatinda, Uri, Chandigarh, and much more metropolitan cities of India. And but fortunately, India's defense system counter all targets and destroyed all weapons of Pakistani, including drones and missiles, into the air territory. But for retaliation of that, when Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy observed that this target was on Indian Armed Forces, then immediately Indian Army, Air Force and Navy made a combat operation, and it hit 11 air bases of Pakistan, including Noor Jahan Air Base, Murid Ke, and Karachi and much more air bases of Pakistan. After it, when when Pakistan lost so many problems, but then also for concealing those problems, it it show the wrong narrative to the world media. But as we all seen the recent picture in which one of the terrorist, the India did not recognized as terrorist only. The terrorist is UN designated terrorist. He is doing some rituals in front of deadly terrorist. He is doing some rituals in funeral of dead terrorist. And when he was doing such funerals rituals, then the entire world can see that the Pakistani army personnel are standing behind him. This image have has proved that the Pakistanis army and all diplomats support Pakistani terror groups, because the entire economical and other powers of Pakistan are in hand of some of the people, some of the diplomats, and they just try to bluff the people of Pakistan. And when at some level some of the people start making a mind that something is going to be wrong, then immediately they they made some terrorist attacks on Indian Kashmir, or any other place in India, so that they could conceal their own conflicts and could recollect their people. So this is the main agenda of Pakistan, which has been revealed in front of the world. Now, the concern is why India retaliated against these terrorist groups in Bahawalpur and much more area of Pakistan. So, when now India's policy is unequivocal that any kind of terror attack on Indian sites, that included Jammu and Kashmir and other states of India, any kind of terror attack will be treated as act of war. And on the led the situation, India retaliated Uri the surgical strike, 2019 Balakot strike, and this 2025 6 to 7th May midnight, the Operation Sindoor. So these are the some of the epitomes of the new India. This is new India. Now India is a $3 billion economy. Now this India has been changed from 1971. So India beared a lot of border disputes, terrorist skirmishes into its own territory along with this on borders. But India made its own security and capabilities strong, and India retaliated against terrorists. And in 1999, Pakistani intruders came into Indian territory and India lost it. So many casualty, but India ultimately won this war. And after that they attacked on Indian parliament in 2001, and after that in 2008 they attacked on Mumbai Taj Hotel and much more places in Mumbai. And Mumbai is a one of the most prominent cities of India. So they attacked on that. And in 2016 they attacked Indian army personnel in Uri district of Jammu and Kashmir, in which about 20 army personnel martyred. And after 2009, when India retaliated against Pakistan, and then immediate in 2019 they attacked in Pulwama, in which 44 army CRPF personnel got martyred on 14th of February. On the sequence of that, in 2025, 22th of April, in Pahalgam, terrorist 4 to 5 terrorists, in which 2 to 3 were trained in Pakistan and some were sponsored in India from Pakistan, who killed 26 civilians innocent civilians, and India retaliated to take its revenge. Now, my last message to entire community, entire world media, that the ultimate target of Pakistan is to conceal its own problems. Whenever their diplomats, their army personnel could not have the capability to control their own problems, their internal problems, then immediately they try to indulge any kind of malpractices, including terrorist attack, border disputes, and much more things at the border, so that they could uh, mm, recollect their people on the basis of nation. So this is the black truth of the Pakistan, and I would like to request to Pakistani people also, don't be bluffed because of these so-called diplomats of Pakistan. History has proven that these Pakistani diplomats have flee from their own country, and they have been killed by their own people. It means they have some flaw, and you all can recognize it. So the world media should not be biased. World media should be neutral, and it should assess on the basis of the facts, and the fact says Pakistan is a Pakistan sponsors terrorist groups. Also, it sponsored state sponsored terrorism, including in Pakistan and other countries, like Osama bin Laden, who did 9/11 attack in United States of America, and he found in Abbottabad, Pakistan. So it such kind of more many sequences have proven that the Pakistan is a state sponsored terrorist country. So Pakistan is unstable country, and we have to cater it, and the world media should be neutral and listen the perspective of each and every member of the nation. I hope you got a good information from my video. If you got, do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Radhe Radhe. Bharat Mata ki Jai. We will meet very soon.